A Mississippi law is playing a role in the future of Roe v. Wade, the defining case in abortion law in America. Briaunna Malone joins us in the studio with more on what this means. Brianna.
Good evening, Jill. There is a debate brewing about Roe v. Wade due to a Mississippi law that allows women to receive abortions at 15 weeks, but there's an effort to change that. The Mississippi law, enacted in 2018, allows women to receive abortions at 15 weeks. Tim Broderick of People for Life argues a child in embryo at that age will have all of his or her organs, bones, body systems, and personality development.
This is an unborn child just about at the age that we're talking about when we talk about the Mississippi law. 15 weeks would be the maximum there. This is approximately 16 weeks.
The Turnaway study from the University of California, San Francisco shows some of the health concerns women could face later in life if they are denied an abortion. Governor Tom Wolf joined Attorney General Josh Shapiro in using that argument to push for choice, saying the difficult decision should be made by the woman.
Abortion bans hurt pregnant people. They hurt families. They hurt our society at large. These bans lead to worse health outcomes for pregnant people. They lead to worse outcomes, health outcomes for babies. They increase the rates of maternal mortality, and they cause financial hardship that hurts families. It hurts our economy.
While Roe v. Wade is in the balance, an unborn child advocate tells us what things should be considered.
It's an important subject that needs to be looked at very carefully, but we have to balance burdens and rights between parties that are involved. And whenever we talk about the burden on the mother, we also have to consider the interests of the unborn child.
Governor Wolf has also vetoed 3 bills regarding abortion bans and vows that he will continue to veto the rest, but the final decision may well rest with the U.S. Supreme Court.